Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.4591 rands a coin. The present cost range: 1.4229, 1.4753. The earlier day close: 1.4749. The change was 0.0158, 1.07%. Reverse rate: ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, November 20. Cost 1.33 rands, high 1.42, low 1.24. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, November 21. Cost 1.43 rands, high 1.53, low 1.33. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, November 22. Cost 1.48 rands, high 1.58, low 1.38. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, November 23. Cost 1.53 rands, high 1.64, low 1.42. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, November 24. Cost 1.51 rands, high 1.62, low 1.40. In multi-week Dogecoin figure on Monday, November 27. Cost 1.42 rands, high 1.52, low 1.32. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, November 28. Cost 1.46 rands, high 1.56, low 1.36. Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, November 29. Cost 1.48 rands, high 1.58, low 1.38. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, November 30. Cost 1.54 rands, high 1.65, low 1.43. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, December 1. Cost 1.49 rands, high 1.59, low 1.39. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, December 4. Cost 1.53 rands, high 1.64, low 1.42. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, December 5. Cost 1.49 rands, high 1.59, low 1.39. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, December 6. Cost 1.53 rands, high 1.64, low 1.42. Dogecoin conjecture on Thursday, December 7. Cost 1.59 rands, high 1.70, low 1.48. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, December 8. Cost 1.61 rands, high 1.72, low 1.50. In 3 weeks Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, December 11. Cost 1.61 rands, high 1.72, low 1.50. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, December 12. Cost 1.57 rands, high 1.68, low 1.46. Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, December 13. Cost 1.59 rands, high 1.70, low 1.48. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, December 14. Cost 1.57 rands, high 1.68, low 1.46. Dogecoin figure on Friday, December 15. Cost 1.57 rands, high 1.68, low 1.46. In about a month Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, December 18. Cost 1.58 rands, high 1.69, low 1.47. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, December 19. Cost 1.61 rands, high 1.72, low 1.50. Dogecoin cost expectation for walk 2024. Initially cost at 1.74 rands. Excessive cost 1.74, while low cost 1.40. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.60. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.51, change for spring 13.2%. Dogecoin figure for April 2024. Initially cost at 1.51 rands. Excessive cost 1.80, while low cost 1.51. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.63. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.68, change for April 11.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2024. In the first place cost at 1.68 rands. Excessive cost 1.68, while low cost 1.38. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.56. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.48, change for May 11.9%. Dogecoin conjecture for June 2024. At the outset cost at 1.48 rands. Excessive cost 1.54, while low cost 1.34. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.45. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.44, change for June 2.7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at 1.44 rands. Excessive cost 1.64, while low cost 1.42. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.51. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.53, change for July 6.3%. Dogecoin conjecture for August 2024. At the outset cost at 1.53 rands. Excessive cost 1.53, while low cost 1.32. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.45. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.42, change for August 7.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 1.42 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.42, while low cost 1.18. The found the middle value of cost 1.32. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.27, change for September 10.6%. Dogecoin estimate for October 2024. First and foremost cost at 1.27 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.57, while low cost 1.27. The found the middle value of cost 1.40. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.47, change for October 15.7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost cost at 1.47 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.59, while low cost 1.39. The found the middle value of cost 1.49. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.49, change for November 1.4%. Dogecoin estimate for December 2024. First and foremost cost at 1.49 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.62, while low cost 1.40. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.51. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.51, change for December 1.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2025. Before all else cost at 1.51 rands. Excessive cost 1.87, while low cost 1.51. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.66. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.75, change for January 15.9%. Dogecoin conjecture for February 2025. Before all else cost at 1.75 rands. Excessive cost 2.00, while low cost 1.74. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.84. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.87, change for February 6.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for WALK 2025. Before all else cost at 1.87 rands. Excessive cost 1.8